Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Bluetooth not working on our iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. Fix this issue, turn off and on your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So you have 3 to 4 times on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. So then you have again open the setting, click on Bluetooth, then you have turn on and off 3 to 4 times. Then if first solution you have not working, their second solution you have forget the Bluetooth device on your iPhone, disconnected your iPhone, so you have forget the device and then you have reconnect on your iPhone. Then solution is working on your iPhone. There if second solution is not working, there third solution you have restart your iPhone. So you have volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your mobile is restarted and then your problem will be fixed. If their third solution is not working, their fourth solution you have reset network setting on your iPhone. So you have again open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So you have click on reset network setting iPhone, given a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode and do not lose any data, only reset network setting on your iPhone and then your problem will be fixed. If their fourth solution is not working, their fifth solution you have reset all setting on your iPhone. So you have again open the setting and click on general, click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset all setting, same option, then you have change that this option, reset network setting, reset all setting. So you have iPhone given a passcode and then you have given a passcode and your problem will be fixed, only reset all setting on your iPhone. Then last solution you have update iOS latest version. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update. So you have on your iPhone update iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have must be installed and 100% working on your iPhone and fix this problem. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.